Hello from Pabos, Quebec. This is the 21st of February 2013, around 2 p.m. This storm that is going on outside has been raging, and raging is an understatement, for in excess of 20 hours. And yeah, I did a quick shot of the front, now I'm going to do some of the back. Yelling over the wind that you might not be getting, I don't know. It's kind of a hollow point here. The wind direction has caused minimal build-up of snow here, but check out here. Snow banks, the snow drift here is as high as the wheelie bins, so that's like 4 foot high, I suppose. The snow drift here. This wall here is about 8 foot high, and this is just below that. So yeah, very full on. Underneath there is a barbecue. There's a barbecue down there. That snow drift doesn't have that shadow fire there. That's easily 9 to 10 foot tall. Should this ever let up, kids are going to have some fun sliding, I'm sure. Anyway, that's enough for now. Hopefully, there it is. There's the barbecue.